Hi guys, Alvaro here. In this video I want to talk to you about what I consider one of the or two of the main principles to achieve success, not only in life, in family life, church life, sports life, but particularly in the network marketing industry. You see, your level of commitment will dictate your level of success. There are no shortcuts, there are no two ways around. You have to be committed. You can't be going halfway through life. And one of the things I see far too often is people promoting different opportunities all over the place. They are confused. They think that they need to diversify their income, they need to diversify their options, but they are completely mistaken. It's good to have this diversification. What is not good is to put your attention in more than one thing at a time. Again, I've mentioned that in previous videos. If you think that the most successful people in the world, they are known for being successful at one thing. They have a company that they build, and they are known for that. Think about the Zuckerbergs on Facebook, Jeff Bezos for Amazon, and so on. Their flagship company, it's their identity, it's what they do, it's what they breathe, it's what they think about it every day. Now, what they do with their money, if they want to invest it in some other places, that's fine. But they don't devote their full attention to that. Their main attention is to one thing and one thing only. And as I said before in previous videos, if you think you are more clever than these people, go ahead. I'm trying to promote 20 different companies. But chances are that you are not actually successful at any of them. All right. So first recommendation, be committed to do only one thing and focus all your time, all your resources into one thing. Okay? You have to dream, you have to think, you have to eat, you have to drink your business 24/7. If you don't want to be thinking about that 24/7, you can always take a job, do your 40 hours a week, and that's it. If you want something else, more out of life, you need to think in terms of business 24/7. And once you achieve some success, obviously, there is time to play as well, all right? It's not all work. But at the beginning, if you want to achieve success and you haven't achieved it now, let me be brutally honest with you. You don't have time to go to the football match, to the NBA game. You don't have time to watch some films on TV. You don't have time to go out and have a beer with your friends. You want to be honest with you? That's the truth. If you want to be successful, you need to sacrifice things. So you need the first thing, commitment, full commitment of what you're doing. Put 100% of you into it. Second thing, be ready to sacrifice things. There is no such a thing as achieving success without any sacrifices. At the end of the day, you're going to have to put your time into something to become a success. It means that something has to give up. You have to give up something that is not getting you anything in life. All right? So that's commitment. That's second one, sacrifice. Another one I want to tell you as well. It might sound negative, but get ready. You have to be willing. You have to be prepared to lose money. You have to be willing and prepared to waste a ton of time. You have to be willing and prepared to be extremely frustrated, probably even cry. You have to be prepared. You need to go through those hardships in order to achieve long-lasting, true success. You don't want to hear it. You want something easy, right? You want the easy path. Okay? And some people, they just hold on to their money, right? They don't want to spend $1,000. They don't want to spend $10,000. They don't want to spend $10 because they're afraid they're gonna lose it. What they don't understand, those people, is that money is supposed to flow. That's the law of the universe. Money flows. Money flows out, money flows in. Unless you put something out, forgive me about the noise of the silly motorbikes, unless you put something out, you won't be able to get something in. So be ready to give. Be ready to invest your money, your time, your resources. But be committed always, 100% to your cause. Choose wisely and go for it. Okay? Do that. And another thing I wanted to, which I digress, the other thing I wanted to mention is, yeah, you're gonna have to go through all these hardships if you want to do it. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There is a shortcut that's gonna allow you to not waste time, not waste money, and just focus on one thing and be a success. There is only one way. The only way I've found in my 25 years in business is to join a network marketing company, a good one, where you get support from your team, where you got the resources, not only to promote the company, but to learn the skills that you need to be successful. Marketing skills. Any skills you can think of that's gonna help you to develop into a marketer. Sadly enough, there are not many companies like that. The majority of companies, they will train you to promote and to sell their business, and they will not teach you the skills you need. Luckily for you, I've got good news for you. I know I'm a little bit biased on this because I represent this company, but as you probably know, I'm with a company that I believe. No, I don't believe. I know it's the number one internet. Sorry, I'm twisting my tongue today. It's the number one network marketing company in the world today. We are in about, I believe, 225 countries. So this is open worldwide. And I want to encourage you to click on the link below this video, take a look, and join forces with me because we are going places. In 4 months, this company has achieved almost 200,000 members. In target to achieve 1 million members by the end of this year, and in the next 3 to 5 years, probably will be 5 to 10 million members. This is going to be a household name. It's going to be the next Amazon of the network marketing industry. And again, I'm biased because I'm in it, but I truly believe this is the place to be. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing this video. I wouldn't be promoting it. And to be completely honest with you, before LiveGood, I was on still kind of doing it. Was in another business, and that was a 6-figure a year business, and I put it on hold as I'm building LiveGood. That's how good it is. So take a look. If you don't know what LiveGood is all about, click on the link below. I'll get you in. I'll hook you up with all the training resources that we have. The most important thing you're gonna get is you're gonna get my help. I work with people one-on-one. I'm not someone hiding behind the computer, as you can see. Obviously, you can see my face, and I'm more than happy to help those willing to help themselves. Now, I don't attend to tire kickers and time wasters. So if you're one of those that are gonna put a fake email on any landing page and pretend to be someone that you're not, or come with silly names, all right? That's not the place to be. I want to deal with real people. We are going places, okay? So I'm gonna leave it with you. As I say, the reason I say network marketing or my team is because here's the key. To avoid going through years of wasted time and being scammed, I spent 12 years before I achieved any tangible results in my life. 12 years before I achieved any success. I wasted thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. I was a scam. I wasted hours and hours and hours, well, not hours, years of my life trying to find the right thing that will make me money online. Only to realize that the only way to make money online, as I say, is to bring value to the marketplace, become valuable, learn the skills, and then you will get paid for that. Bring value to people, be good to people. You get paid for that. Okay? But coming back, and I'm digressing quite a lot here, forgive me. The only reason I said that network marketing is the place to be, and especially our company, is because we have the best interest on heart for you to be successful. There is no other industry out there where they're gonna be rooting for you. They're gonna want your success. I don't want that for a selfish reason. I'm gonna be successful only when I help you become successful. If you don't succeed, I fail. So this is a win-win situation, guys. You can get into a team where we provide all the support, tools, resources, training that you need. My one-on-one help. to help you build a business online that is willable, which means you can pass on to your kids and it's going to give you passive residual income. Again, no guarantees because I don't know your work ethic. But this is a win-win situation because as you succeed, I am rooting for you. We are rooting for you. We want your success as much as you want it. Okay? There is no conflict of interest here. The more successful you are, the more successful I am. And the more successful I am, the more you are, because you can leverage off my efforts, of my upline's efforts. So anyway, now I don't want to extend it too long, but to wrap up this video, again, be committed to whatever you do in life. Be committed to your family. Be committed to your church if you go to church. Be committed to your friends. Be committed to a business. Okay? Stop jumping from one thing to another. Stop jumping from opportunity to opportunity. That is not the key. You're not gonna get anywhere. You are the company. You need to build your brand. You need to build your main list. You need to provide value to people. And then, only then, you can be successful promoting anything you want to, especially if we are talking about the best company in the planet by far. All right? Join forces with me. You will not regret it. All right? But again, don't attend tire kickers. Right? Be serious. Be committed. Playful. Take care. Okay? We'll see you on the inside. Take care. Bye-bye.